iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Good win for Kaizer Chiefs coming back from a lengthy spell without playing matches. They jump up as it stands to number 2. We were laughing situation Orlando Pirates is Oluguti. Orlando Pirates were number 7, now they are number 2. Nange Kaizer Chiefs Namhlanje nayo number 2. It seems as though that's an available slot, that CAF Champions League slot. Today Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game?
Yeah, ngikubuleka maprada kunjani.
Yes sir.
Ngibulisa nalungwenye 2 tracks. No Justice nomntana ka Christ ngumachaka. Benedict Tsovila guys. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. Man angise right kahle. Yabona yeah. But span is span. Compliment to what I seen. One it's a blessing in disguise bona bonqobo ngikhuluma ngalomfana odlala ngo left uNcobo Nkosingiphile thinking playing football with the think umfana last season beng expect ukuthi kule season abe kwenye gear mhlambe competing for play of the season and stuff. Very wonderful with a goal, spectacular goal, akusikho nyana, one of the best goals. I'm sure he's a competitor for a goal of the season with DStv Premiership. Also an assist. I say came in. Mangithi placing in disguise, they were starting the ball at the back. Uphaka namhla was a superstar. Beka link uye beka landa ibhola. Bebadlala nge-defensive midfield uPlum. Plum beka landa ibhola from kulomchito Kaduso. I think lineup yes was short because of this COVID and stuff, but he emphasized ukudlala compliment to art. I'm a player ukuthi bane understanding ngoba both mawucheka lo mfana lo uNcobo yena what his name Nkosingiphile makazodlala ngena uStuart adlala kuStuart it noma ngabe bamfaka as a sub or bamfaka second half last 45 minutes, the body language and everything it doesn't show. Namhlanje umfana akusho ukudala ngadlali mawungamcheka namhlanje belithi ibhola malisuka at the back, they were playing at the back, belisuka la lekhadi savulela ibhola alink uphaka sondele alande uPlum ngoba bekumuntu most omile uPlum phaka looks like a superstar today. Link either play uMashiyane or ufuna lo mfana uNcobo ngoba lo mfana bekasuka bekadlala second number 10 second striker alanda ibhola la behind, either I delay play yabo ngoba namhlanje bangadlali ngespeed. You understand? But delay play, mangaba yikho on libusele la center, aphinde futhi awudlala liqale. I love ibrain yakhe. Either he takes somebody on, a drop his shoulder, angene boxing have a shot, or he played it behind. Ngoba bekunama patches kule defense le ya Sekhukhune. Bekadlala la ama patches. Unfortunate ukuthi bekana umuntu ongarana behind. uCastro bekalifuna enyaweni. Bekadlali 1-2 no Castro, or atu mhlambe al delay alidlale sideways. Mashiyane malifika kuyibhola crosses naye not akazange abe na impact umfana uMashiyane. I believe mina uSikhoto he came last 20 minutes or 15, yet most impact than uMashiyane. I don't understand why Usikhoto started outside. Makangena namhlanje he created goal number 2. Umfana yet a shot at target. Umfana yet speed as apply Kaizer Chiefs enyaweni zakhe hayi ukuthi arane behind balidlali behind bekalibamba akunye opponent. This is what you want. Ile nto engisho ukuthi bangadlala noKhama adlale noKike Ntuli, you can see so many goals. Namhlanje I'm impressed mina ngalomfana uMashiyane. uSikhoto makangena Parker was a spectacular akusifeni yakhe, but in terms of linka between i defense yakhe nalapha phambili ibhola lifike ebekakwazi ukulidelay namhlanje ngumangazile. You understand? Bekakwazi ukuthi alidelay alidlale afunele umfana uNcobo mangaba yikho ona alidlale backwards amakadlala lo mfana lo odlala ngo left Mashiyane I want uNcobo I love his support yakhe namhlanje. Ibhola mali what it doesn't go epoxing, you know ukuthi ushort beka supporter either nkululeka mangabe badlali wide kuMashiyane uchecka iopponent opposition ukuthi ime kanjani and then he support belingaveli lisuke from there ngingene epoxing. Yes beyenzeka once mhlambe in a while maybe beli game idlala, so I love ukuthi beka support aka right naka left. Yeah, going to Sekhukhune chairman, very beautiful people. Abantu abathanda ukusiza abantu. I met them with Jonas and that other brother of him, and they created abantwana abantu ukuthi bathole imisebenzi. but they're going in the wrong direction. Labantu abatholakala ku number 2 boma 2 weeks back. Yeah, and igimi ngeke ngathi ukuhlala na chairman benginvitile manje ithi cela ukungibona ngaya. Just because simple advice ukuthi chairman ngiyezwa wina but the way you are playing is like high school. Idlala iSoweto neDaveyton high schools. Isikole eswine kuwonke ama team eSoweto nesikole eswine eDaveyton is like that. I'm a player that there's no structure. They're just playing ordinary talent. Ngoba one team yakhe doesn't press high. Noma press one baphume simple. They've got individual overrated players. Chawapiwa with a lot being said udlala 11. There's no ibhola makathola cross alishaye opponent. Ucross umuntu njengala kule camera ukuthi la kuphakama. With the profile into bazikhulumile ngaye ukuthi buya kumaZulu what is from Baroka being expect to decision making akibe something else. Eliminate somebody. Uyenzile upethe guy one face off but to part you need a proper midfield as a supporter. Abanayo i-ball player immediately badlala ngomat sha. Nyaza abantu abaningi they will ask questions adamfana loya as a captain ukuthi bamnike ampel for me is a disaster. You cannot udlala long ball sideways. Every time udlala like isaga sideways. Mawuqeda wesiphathu uyayibona ukuthi ayisebenzi is not working. You lose the ball cheaply. Every time uthena kuna opponent. Ama basic football first priority mabakupasa play where you face and then it's when you face open play will be the football. Namhlanje lost the ball so many times ngale nto leyo adlala foot sideways. Kaizer Chiefs impressor in the middle. Katsande is not a footballer for me. I will always emphasize nala corner. Nobuntu I know which is ngizwile namanje ukuthi was helping people. I love that, but for me today there was no link between him and Mart. I don't know his defensive midfield no Mart to dlala defensive. But dlala too flat. Nobody is comfortable one bafana one international Zimbabwe. So we're expecting for the fact with the international meeting getting ngondweni. So it is disaster. Going to Ipek 4 yabo one heavy. Is center back yabo. Heavy. And abekho ku shape ukuthi bangadlala boy4. I'm sorry kusho so is clever. I love lo mjito champions mina. Is clever in terms of technique ibhola ukhaba ibhola and uyazi ukuthi umfana uke wahlala isikhathi angadlala ku DStv Premiership. Mara awareness yakhe I love that and the way akhaba ibhola kayenza into I love him that but kunama gap. That's why beba expose kulama gap i4. So going up front bengana combination Nxumalo. It looks like umchita is a good player. I love him. Marabeka ngakwazi ukuthola ibhola uzothola kanjani ngana I playmaker in the middle. Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs number 2. Last question from me to you. It looks like that second spot is up for grabs. This is Olobe City, Orlando Pirates. The previous day we were talking about the Royal AM and then Sekhukhune. It looks like the second place is up for grabs. A team that didn't play 2 matches. Gadlala abanye bayadlala. Bayabuya first game. Boom, number 2.
Yeah, DStv Premiership is swak. Sundowns isazozwinela yabo isazobabhaqabula going forward whoever's number 2 na next week khona ezowela lapho ku number 2 yabo izolibelenza so lapho ku number 2 but number 1 uhleli one way we know they've got a structure and stuff DStv Premiership ama player except Sundowns ama team they play similar the same wonke ukehla so yeah win drop that's why izolobona buku Pirates okumangazi draw in a row 3 games. We understand Angulo. So DStv Premiership standard as a it tells you what effect ama team amaning standard sawo mangabe kuzo cabanga njengayo as Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje mina kimi ungizwe Nkuleko nje ubusitshwata ngekho noma ngabe uyenze line up but they were better in terms of playing. The combination play was better. Uata bega emphasize. I love Yasmin Uata nalesikhatha zocoach last season. Yes, Superstar know which is the one who stayed, but there was not that much ama defender maningi ukuthi singakahaza ibhola City ukhama khona in Kigen. Lentona Ngcobo beyilinka uphaka yiko ngithi namhlanje ungimangazile angisifene yakhe but bekakwazi ukulinka ibhola ukuthi alande at the back alink up front. So if fluid not that wow. Yabo nabo not at their best but iSekhukhune iKaizer Chiefs not at their best with the COVID lebabuya kuyo bafike baba outclass 2-0 ilento engitshela yona ama player ne quality lapha kule club it's something else questionable kakhulu. Yeah,
there you go. Kaizer Chiefs winning the game, well done to them. I don't know what that means about iSekhukhune because they are a top 6 club but what they had to offer today was really nothing. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching.